and welcome to Layla's Inverts. I'm Layla and these are the inverts. We're going to be doing a rehousing of my lasiodora parahybana, also known as a salmon pink bird eater, I got from Sean from Weird and Wonderful. Just before I rehouse, I'm going to tell you about the tank a bit. So we have 2 inches of substrate, we have a plant pot for it to hide in, then we also have a nice water dish, and we have the substrate which is nice and moist, and then just in case we have a catch cup, just in case it likes to wriggle around a bit. And now I'm just going to do a little squirt. Now, before we do the quick rehouse, I want you to, if you want to see me in any more videos, can you leave a like and subscribe, because then that will show that you want me in more videos. Now let's get to rehouse. So here is the LP. I'm just going to take the lid off. Make sure that I'm doing it very carefully. Now gently pull it out. Gently. There it is, as you can see. Now, carefully try and get it out with a paintbrush. There we go. So that was very quick and easy. Well, now the nice spider is now it's a little plant pot. You won't be able to see it. And one last thing before we end the video. Layla's LP. And then we stick it on the shelf. And if you want to see me in more videos, and also you want to like the video, if you really like it and everything, just subscribe and like. Make sure that you support our channel. Bye.